So what you can also do is you can go ahead and utilize HTML codes to actually get formattings as you like for your text. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, write a paragraph on benefits of traveling right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then you can simply see a paragraph right here. But let's say I want it to be formatted and interesting. In that case, you can go ahead and say, use HTML to format the text so that the important words are bolded out as red, just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and utilize HTML code right here, just like this, as you can see. And then it'll simply go ahead and bold that out right here as red, as I mentioned right here. So you can see that it has completed right here. So you can simply go ahead and copy this. Then what you can do is you can simply go ahead and paste this code right here, just like this. And then you can go ahead on to, let's say, for example, save this. And then over here on the desktop, you can simply go ahead and save this out as, let's say, for example, sample.html right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that and open this up, you can see that now you got the text formatting where the important words has been colored as red. And now you can simply go ahead and copy and paste this into Microsoft Word or any other word processor, and you get the formatting. So this is how you can go ahead and then use HTML codes to get formattings as well using Qwen. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.